Let's solve this together. It says 4 raised power x is equal to 72. We're going to solve for the values of x. Okay. Now, to do this, we can say that let's express 4 to be equal to 2 multiplied by 2. And 72 can be expressed to be equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay. Now, this becomes equal to 2 squared, and this one is equal to 2 raised power 3 times 3 squared. So we're going to replace 4 and 72 with this in this equation. We have 2 squared raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 2. Okay? Now when you have this, you multiply the power, so we have 2 raised to power 2x is equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. We have, let's take the logarithm of both sides in base 2. We have logarithm in base 2 of 2 raised to power 2x is equal to logarithm of 2 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 2 in base 2. When you have this, you multiply the power with the log. So we have 2x multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2. And this is equal to, this is logarithm in base 2 of 2 raised to power 3 plus logarithm in base 2 of 3 squared. Okay? This follows on the law of logarithm. Now we now have 2x multiplied by logarithm of 2 base 2 is 1. Okay? And this is equal to logarithm of 2 base 2, and then we multiply this place by 3, okay, which we started initially, plus 2 multiplied by logarithm of 3 base 2. Now 2x becomes equal to logarithm of 2 base 2 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3, plus logarithm of 3 base 2 multiplied by 2. Hence our x here becomes equal to 3 over 2 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2. This becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.